You're watching Blue Mountain Crafting, and today I'm going to be explaining how to create your own font using the website Calligraphr. That's CALLIGRAPHR.com. This is a great free option in creating a multi-use font that can be uploaded and used with Cricut and many other creative platforms. Once you get to the site, you'll need to create an account by clicking Get Started for free. Input your email address and a password, and then you'll receive a verification link, which will lead you to the next page. Click Start App to begin the font designing process. First, you'll click Create Template. On the left-hand side of the page, you can see your options that include multiple languages. If you are English speaking, select Minimal English and then click Download Template. Continue clicking through these boxes until you are at a print page. Once the template is printed, you'll fill it out accordingly in whatever lettering you'd like. The completed page will look similar to this. Next, you'll need to take a photo of the image or scan it into a computer in order to upload it to the website. Once you're ready to upload, you'll click on My Fonts at the top of the page. Then select Upload Template. Choose your file from your computer and then select Upload Template. This will take a moment to process. Click Add Characters, and then on the next page, you'll select Build Font. Here you can name it and click Build. The following pages will contain the download link. You can choose between TTF and OTF. Once it has been saved, you're ready to install and begin using your new font. These fonts can be uploaded to Cricut, Canva, your operating system, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!